Dan Sweet here, Trash Bin Cleaners Direct. Here's some of the additional rigs we got. The one on the far back is sold. That's going to Texas. The one here in the middle is actually a brand spanking new titanium trash bin cleaning trailer. Trash Bin Cleaners Direct's signature blue 3,500 9-gallon hot water machine. Dual bin grabbers. These are all dual bin grabbers. That unit is available. The unit in front here, the gray, this trailer is actually headed to Arizona. First it's going to be wrapped. We just did logo design, wrap, and everything else on there. So these three are now titanium trailer packages. That trailer there is actually a diamond trash bin cleaning trailer. That one's going into production here shortly. That one's a fusion red. Is really nice. You'll see that on some additional videos. So you get an idea of what's going on here when it comes to our system. So diamond trailer is a bigger trailer overall, dual 400-gallon tanks. This one is a titanium trailer with 17-stage wastewater recycling filtration system. Same thing there. And then the back one, like I said, it's a reconditioned used rig. That one's, like I said, also going down. That one's going to Texas, just like the red trailer up there. All right, for more information, give us a call.